Listen to me now. I've got some incredible news for you today. On this day, July 14th, 2025, things are looking up. Forget everything you thought you knew about your taxes being complicated and confusing. Congress just passed a new law, the Big Beautiful Bill, and let me tell you, it's a game changer for every single person thinking about retirement or already living their best life in it. This isn't just some small tweak here and there. No sir, this is a major overhaul designed to put more of your hard-earned money right back where it belongs, in your pocket. It's time to get excited about your financial future because things are about to get a whole lot brighter. You've worked your whole life, you've put in the time, you've paid your dues, and now it's your season to reap the rewards. This new tax law understands that, it sees you. It respects the grind you put in for decades. We're talking about real, meaningful changes that will help you breathe easier and enjoy your golden years without constantly worrying about the tax man. This bill makes things simpler, fairer, and gives you more opportunities to save. So I want you to lean in close and pay attention. This isn't just numbers and forms, this is your money, your security, and your peace of mind we are talking about. Now, some folks might hear new tax law and immediately get a headache. I get it, it can sound intimidating, but I'm here to break it all down for you, nice and easy. We're going to walk through this together, step by step. Think of me as your guide to unlocking some serious savings. We're going to talk about lower tax rates that are here to stay, bigger deductions that let you keep more cash, and special bonuses just for our seniors. It's all about making sure you have the resources you need to live the retirement you've always dreamed of. No more confusion, just clarity and confidence. The most important thing you can do right now is get informed. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to your finances, that power translates directly into dollars and cents. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. This is your chance to get ahead of the game and make smart decisions that will benefit you for years to come. The government has put these breaks on the table, and it's up to you to reach out and take them. So let's get into the details and find out exactly how this big beautiful bill is going to help you win. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, let's get down to the good stuff. First up, those tax rates you've been paying, the lower rates that were supposed to go up after 2025, well, guess what? They are now permanent. That means you don't have to worry about a surprise tax hike down the road. You can plan your budget with confidence, knowing that the rates you see today are the rates you can count on for tomorrow. This stability is huge. It gives you a solid foundation to build your retirement strategy on, removing a major piece of uncertainty that was looming over everyone's financial plans. It's like locking in a great deal forever. But wait, it gets even better. The standard deduction, which is the amount you can subtract from your income right off the top, is getting a big boost. For married couples filing jointly, it's going up to $31,500. For single filers, it's jumping to $15,750. That's a significant increase that means less of your income is subject to tax from the very start. And just like the tax rates, these higher standard deductions are now permanent. This makes filing your taxes simpler for millions of people because you won't have to go through the hassle of itemizing every little thing to get a good-sized deduction. It's an automatic tax break for the vast majority of Americans. Now, for our seniors aged 65 and over, there's a special treat in this bill. On top of the already existing extra deduction you get, they've added a temporary senior bonus deduction. Listen to this. It's an extra $6,000 deduction per person. That means a married couple over 65 could get an additional $12,000 deduction. This is a big deal. It's designed to help offset the taxes some of you have to pay on your Social Security benefits. While the rules for taxing Social Security haven't changed, this new deduction is a powerful tool to help reduce your overall tax bill, and you can claim it even if you don't itemize. It's important to know that this incredible $6,000 bonus deduction is temporary and has some income limits, so you'll want to take advantage of it while it's here. It's a special window of opportunity. The bill also made some other positive changes for people who itemize their deductions. The cap on deducting state and local taxes, or SALT, has been temporarily raised to $40,000 for most people, and the deduction for mortgage interest is now a permanent fixture. They even added a temporary deduction for interest on new car loans. It all adds up to more ways for you to save your money. Many of you have big hearts and love to give back to your communities, your churches, and the causes you care about. In the past, you could only deduct those charitable donations if you itemized your deductions. But what about the millions of people who take the simpler standard deduction? Well, the big beautiful bill has some fantastic news for you. Starting in 2026, even if you take the standard deduction, you can still get a tax break for your generosity. You'll be able to deduct up to $1,000 for single filers and $2,000 for married couples who give to charity. This is a permanent change, folks. This is a win-win situation. It encourages everyone to give, knowing that their kindness will be recognized by the tax code. It empowers you to support the organizations that are doing important work without having to worry about complicated tax rules. This new rule simplifies the process and makes it fair for everyone, not just those with complex financial situations. So, when you write that check to your favorite charity, you can feel good knowing that you're not only making a difference in the world, but also getting a well-deserved thank you from Uncle Sam. It's a beautiful thing when the system rewards people for doing good. Now let's talk about the legacy you want to leave behind for your children and grandchildren. Planning your estate can feel overwhelming, but this new law makes it much simpler for almost every family in America. The estate tax exemption, which is the amount you can pass on to your heirs tax-free, was set to be cut in half. But this bill didn't just stop that from happening, it raised it significantly. Starting in 2026, the exemption will be a massive $15 million for an individual and $30 million for a married couple. And the best part, these higher levels are now permanent. This change provides incredible peace of mind. It means that the vast majority of families will never have to worry about the federal estate tax again. You can build your wealth, run your family business, or grow your farm, knowing that you can pass it on to the next generation without the government taking a huge chunk of it. This allows you to plan your future with certainty and ensures that the assets you worked so hard to build will stay in the family, providing security for your loved ones for years to come. It's a powerful tool for building generational wealth and securing your family's future. So, with all these amazing new changes, what should you be doing right now? The key is to be proactive. Don't just sit back and wait for tax season to roll around. The time to plan is now, today, July 14th, 2025. The most powerful tool you have is that temporary $6,000 senior bonus deduction. Since it's only around for a few years, you need to think about how to maximize it. This could be the perfect time to consider converting some of your traditional IRA or 401k funds into a Roth IRA. The extra deduction can help offset the taxes you'd owe on the conversion, setting you up for tax-free withdrawals later in retirement. Think of the next few years as a special tax sale window. You have these extra deductions available that won't be here forever. This is your opportunity to work with a financial advisor and map out a strategy. You might decide to take larger withdrawals from your retirement accounts now, while your tax bill is lower, thanks to the bonus deduction. Or you could look at selling some investments that have grown in value, a strategy called tax gain harvesting. By carefully planning your income, you can use these temporary rules to your long-term advantage, saving you a whole lot of money down the line. Now, it's also important to know what didn't make it into the bill. There were some discussions about changes to health savings accounts, or HSAs, but those did not get included in the final version. That's okay. The changes that did pass are more than enough to make a real difference. The main takeaway here is to focus on what you can control. You can control how you plan, when you take your income, and how you use these new deductions. Stay informed, ask questions, and don't be afraid to seek professional advice to make sure you're getting every single benefit you are entitled to. Ultimately, this big beautiful bill is about more than just numbers. It's about empowerment. It's about making the tax system work for you, not against you. It simplifies the process, rewards you for your hard work and generosity, and helps you secure your financial future and your family's legacy. So take a deep breath and feel that sense of relief. Planning for retirement just got a little bit easier and a whole lot more rewarding. Get out there, make your plan, and get ready to enjoy the prosperous and secure retirement you've earned. You can do this.